I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching ports and getting the right cable. This prevents signal loss. Plug one end into your source device and the other into the display. Make sure the plugs seat firmly. Once done, power on the display and select the HDMI input so the device can negotiate resolution and refresh rate. You should see activity lights. If not, reseat the cable. Make sure device display settings are ready to output. Changing resolution later avoids scaling issues and blank screens. Once the physical link is live, open your device's display settings and choose Mirror or Extend depending on your goal. Mirror keeps identical content, while Extend treats the screen as extra workspace. Adjust resolution to match the TV, commonly 16 to 9 1080p or 4K, to prevent cropping. Then set audio to HDMI so sound follows the picture. If using an adapter, make sure it supports the chosen resolution. Active adapters handle conversion and reduce dropouts, so use them when necessary. You finish by testing content. Play a video and move windows to confirm Mirror or Extend works as expected. Make final tweaks to scaling, orientation, and audio levels so text and icons are legible. If the screen stays blank, switch HDMI ports or cables and restart both devices. This often forces a fresh handshake. Also be aware of HDCP and DRM. Protected streams may refuse to mirror, so try non-protected files or a different player as your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.